Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Google account and opening Google My Maps. This ties the map to your account and saves edits automatically. Once done, click Create a new map, give it a clear name, and pick a base map that matches driving or walking needs. Next, add your first layer and search for your origin to drop a marker. This first step creates structure so you can build routes and locations logically as you plan stops and timing. Now you expand the map by adding layers for each day or category, which keeps locations organized. Use the Directions tool to draw routes between stops and choose driving, walking, or biking so travel times reflect real conditions. Make sure to add markers for POIs and edit each with images, notes, or custom icons so you remember why each stop matters. Once routes exist, reorder layers and fine-tune. Finish by sharing the map with travel partners and set view or edit permissions so everyone can contribute. Export a KML or print directions for offline use when you expect limited connectivity. Before you go, preview the full route and turn on satellite view to confirm landmarks. If something goes wrong, like layers missing or edits not saving, first check you are in the same Google account, clear browser cache, or try another browser, and confirm you have map ownership or editing rights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.